Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to fix stuck titles, bullets, and catalog attributes on Amazon. A brand registry detail page change. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen and you're struggling to update your title, bullets, or other product attributes on Amazon and your changes aren't showing up on the front end, you're in the right place. This can be incredibly frustrating. You make updates in the back end, but they don't reflect on the live listing. Today, we're going to go through why this happens and what you can do about it. In many cases, this issue occurs when adding new variations through the parentage variation tree. When I added a new product manually instead of using a template, the title and other information just wouldn't update on the front end, even though everything looked correct in Seller Central. This is a common problem for sellers, and it's caused by Amazon's catalog system. When you create a listing through the variation tree, the back end gets stuck, and it won't push your updates live. So, if you're dealing with this issue, here's a more effective way to fix it. First, try submitting a partial update through Seller Central. If that doesn't work, the best solution is to use an inventory file template for a full update. You'll need to fill out all relevant fields in the template, including the title, bullets, and any other stuck attributes. After preparing your template, submit a support ticket to Amazon with your ASIN, mention you're the brand owner, and include proof like a manufacturer's link or UPC listed on your website. This helps establish your ownership and speeds up the process. If Amazon support still doesn't update your details after that, it may require some follow-up. Keep in mind, sometimes it takes a few rounds of communication to resolve these issues, and if all else fails, you might need to do a full catalog update using the template to force the changes through. That's it for today's video. Following these steps should help you fix any stuck product details on Amazon and get your listings up to date. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.